What if I told you that some of the strangest places on earth look like they came from another planet? From a giant eye in the Sahara to a waterfall that appears to be bleed in Antarctica, our planet is full of incredible natural mysteries. Today, let's explore 5 fascinating places on earth that continue to amaze scientists. Number 5, Mount Roraima. High above the rainforests of South America stands Mount Roraima, a gigantic flat-topped mountain surrounded by almost vertical cliffs. It sits near the borders of Venezuela, Guyana, and Brazil. Its unusual tabletop shape makes it look almost artificial. The mountain is a type of formation called a tepuy, created over enormous periods of geological erosion. Its summit has unique landscapes, caves, waterfalls, and plants found nowhere else. But what makes Roraima so fascinating is its isolated ecosystem and extraordinary appearance. It almost looks like a lost world sitting above the clouds. Number 4, Easter Island. In the middle of the Pacific Ocean lies one of the world's most remote inhabited islands, Rapa Nui, commonly known as Easter Island. The island is famous for its enormous stone statues called Moai. Some weigh many tons and many were transported across the island centuries ago. How did ancient people move these massive statues without modern machinery? Archaeological research has provided several possible explanations, including techniques involving ropes and controlled rocking movements. But the engineering achievements of Rapa Nui people remain one of the most fascinating stories in human history. Number 3, the Richards structure. Deep inside Mauritania's Sahara Desert is gigantic circular formation known as the Eye of the Sahara. From space, it looks almost like a giant bull's eye. For many years, people wondered whether it was an enormous meteorite impact crater, but scientists now understand it as a huge geological dome that was gradually exposed and shaped by erosion. The structure is around 40 kilometers across and is so enormous that its full shape is difficult to appreciate from the ground. Its perfect looking circles make it one of the most spectacular geological features on earth. Number 2, the Devil's Sea. Near Japan lies a region sometimes called the Devil's Sea or Dragon's Triangle. Stories have described mysterious disappearances of ships and unusual phenomena in this part of the Pacific. Here is the important point. Many sensational claims about the area are difficult to verify, and there is no solid scientific evidence for anything supernatural. The region does, however, lie in an area affected by powerful ocean conditions and volcanic activity. So, the real mystery may be less about monsters and more about how legends can grow around dangerous natural environments. And finally, number 1, Blood Falls, one of the strangest sights on earth. In Antarctica, a reddish liquid flows from the Taylor Glacier. It looks like the glacier is literally bleeding. Scientists discovered that the red color is associated with iron-rich salty water. When iron comes into contact with oxygen, it oxidizes, similar to how iron rusts. But the story becomes even more fascinating. Researchers have found evidence of an unusual microbial ecosystem living in the salty water beneath the ice in an environment isolated from sunlight for extremely long periods. Recent research has also provided new clues about the ancient origins of this unusual brine. So, are these places truly unexplained? Not completely. Science has already solved many parts of their mysteries, but every discovery seems to reveal another fascinating question about our planet. Earth is far stranger than we sometimes imagine. Thank you for watching. See you in the next interesting topic.